Okay, what's up, guys? So it's your guy Shapiro Acid here once again. And guys, and all of you have missed me because it's been a while that I've recorded video and I've shown you new ways of doing things. And guys, that is because, as I said earlier, I have to go inside the market, go and look for what is working, work on it, and know that it is very, very legit before I'll come here and record a video about it. Okay, so that's the reason why I have not been recording video for a few hours because I'm working on a lot of things. One, and I want to see the outcome, how they are working real before I come here and show you the best platform that to make money online. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you one of the best platforms that you can make a lot of money from inside. Okay, yeah. But before that, if this is your first time here, my name is Shapiro Asid. As you can see on the screen, I'm a content creator. I create video about how to make money online. So if you have somebody who like to make money online, or you have a friend who loves to make money online, guys, I encourage all of you to share the video link to all your friends, okay, all your family members, all your friends. So guys, as you can see on the screen right now, that I have a bunch of video here that talk about how to make money online. And guys, before we forget, I have this particular video, that's what the TrustWallet Hack and the Coinbase Hack. Yeah, I know a lot of people are commenting below that they can't find the phrase, okay, but don't worry, I'm working on the site. I know that it's not on the site anymore, I know, but don't worry, I'm working on the site. So when I'm done, yeah, I'll publish it again for all of you to go and check it out. Okay, and guys, don't forget to like this video, this particular video you're watching right now. Yeah, I encourage all of you to destroy the like button, smash the like button. And also, in case you have anything, any suggestion, you can comment below. But in case you don't have anything, you can also give me a nice comment, as my brother here, which is the gamer point I've done. This is a nice comment that he have written so far, and I think so. If he's watching the video right now, shout out to gamer point wherever you are. Okay, guys, so also don't forget to follow me on Instagram, where I also post tips about how to make money online. And guys, I also have a lot of messages here on Instagram. Don't worry, I'm going to reply to all of your messages. And also, last but not the least, you can see this my Telegram channel, where I post tips about how to make money online, and I also post encouraging words that will keep you moving. Okay, as you can see on the screen right now here. So there will be the link in the description box below. Click on it and to bring you to a place like this. As you can see on the screen, guys, I have a lot of messages that I haven't replied yet. As you can see on the screen, these are a lot of messages that I haven't replied yet. But guys, don't worry, I'm trying my best to be replying to all your messages. So keep your messages coming. Okay, so guys, let's just go to the reason why we are here. And guys, there will be a link in the description box below. There will be a first link in the description box below. Click on that first link. Okay, when you click on that link, it will bring you to a place that look like this, as you can see on the screen right now here. A place that look like this. And guys, this site we are going to use, the name of this site we are going to use today is what we call 15ghana.com. okay, 15ghana.com. Guys, I know most of you hear the name 15ghana.com and you think that okay, it's for only Ghanaians and only Ghanaians can use it. You know, guys, the app is made by a Ghanaian, but guys, the app is work worldwide. So just don't worry, just stick to the video. I'm going to explain everything to you. You need to know about this app, how it works, and how this app can make you a lot of money. Okay, guys, as you can see, when I scroll down, you can see that there are a bunch of things coming on the screen right now, which is the digital marketing, the photo, the writing and translation, the text and promotion, the music and audio, and a lot of things. Guys, what that means is that people here come here and create a gig. Okay, it's like a Fiverr, it's like Ghana Fiverr. As you all know, I know most of you watching this video know what this Fiverr is. Okay, and in case you don't know what Fiverr is, there will be a link in the description box below that will help you to go and watch the videos about Fiverr and know what is Fiverr. Okay, so it's like a Fiverr, Ghana Fiverr, that you can come and post your gig here, then people come and watch, and in case they need your service, they will render your service to you. Okay, or you render service to them. As you can see, that a lot of people with their hard work or their easy work that they can do, they can come here and post it here. In case maybe you are somebody that you have a job in your hand, maybe you can write letter, you can write article, or you're somebody that have many languages that you can translate languages and a lot of things. You come here and come and post your job here. Okay, or maybe you are a graphic designer, you design you do a lot of work. Okay, you have a lot of work that I think everybody's having a talent. Okay, and I think maybe you are a songwriter, you can come here, create a gig here. Okay, when you create a gig here, there's a lot of traffic here, so people will come look at your gig. In case they need your service, they're going to contact you for you to render service to them. Okay, that's how you're going to make a lot of money here. And as I scroll down earlier, you can see that people are charging a lot of money here, as you can see. But if it's your first time here, all that you need to do is what you can see, you click on the join there, there's a join at the top, you click on that join button and you give them your name. Okay, so let me just give them my first name as Shapiro Asid. As you can see now, guys, make sure you give them your full name. Make sure the account you are creating Mine is just a random account, that's why I'm giving them my nickname. But make sure you give them your full name, okay? And let me just give them my sign name, something like acid. Okay, real quick. Then let me just scroll down once again. Okay, so here I have to give them my email. Okay, let me just give my email there. And guys, you can see the telephone number. You can see where they requiring for your number, your password, and click on it. I accept terms and condition. Okay, but let me just show you something real quick. When I click on the number, I can see that you have a lot of African countries here, like a lot of countries. As you can see, you have a lot of countries here. So as I said earlier, it is worldwide. Okay, it doesn't matter where your country is, you can come here, register it, and take a course with it. Okay, but for the few minutes, let me just give them my details real quick. Okay, as you can see, I've given my details and it's what successfully registered. Welcome on board, Shapiro Acid. Okay, so they are telling me that I'm not supposed to record the interface of here. Okay, as you can see, I'm not supposed to do recording of here. So let me just see what I can do here. Okay, so guys, after you have created your account, you can see how the accounts look like. Okay, you can see people are really making a lot of money here. People are really selling their products here and all those things. But guys, in case you don't have anything to sell, in case you don't know what to do here, just comment below if you want me to do another video about this particular app that I'll show you what to sell. In case you don't know how to sell, but I will show you how to sell that you make a lot of money. Or in case you want me to show you maybe the best method to make a lot of money from this app. Okay, as you all know, I have a best method to make money, but in case you are willing to see that video, I want you to comment below that, oh, Shapiro said I want you to do more detailed video about 15ghana.com, and I'm ready to do that. Okay, that's all. You can see there's what create a new service. So when I click on a create a new service, it's going to show you, or it's going to show that you'll be able to create your gig. Okay, so when I click on it right now, I think it's taking time to load. Okay, let me just, okay, so as you can see, that this is how it look like. As you can see right now, that you have a title, you have the category, you have the referral, you have a lot of things that you have to pass through before your product or whatever your service you have will be rendered here. As you can see, you have the pricing here, you have the description, you have the requirements, you have the gallery, and submit for approval. So guys, in case you want me to do video about all these steps, so that I'll pass through all these steps for you to see how it look like, just comment below. Okay, comment below, and I promise that in my next video I'm going to do video about where we can get products and sell, and how we can create a gig here, or how we can create our own market here. Okay guys, this one is like your own online market. So I encourage all of my subscribers watching this video to get or grab this opportunity. So it's just like creating your own I don't know how to put it, creating your own business online, something that you'll be rendering to people online. But I know some of you up there don't have anything selling, you don't have any what to sell, you don't have anything to sell. Just comment below if you don't have anything to sell, so that in my next video I'm going to explain where I can get things and sell. As you can see on the screen right now here, that this person is a professional business card designer. You can see the amount he's just charging for designing cards. Guys, you can see the amount of money people are charging for just rendering a short service, and the amount of money that they are charging here. This one will say that I will help you generate real followers on TikTok. You can see the amount she2c is charging. So guys, that's by the way, and that's how that 15ghana.com work. So in case you want to see a detailed video about 15ghana.com, just comment below telling me that, okay, Shapiro said we want you to do video about 15ghana.com, and guys, I'm always ready to render the service to you. Okay, so guys, that's all I have for you in this video, and I think you will find this video very helpful. So in case you have found value in this video, why not go ahead and smash the like button, click on that like button, and subscribe to notify anytime I drop more videos. But in case you found something wrong with the video, give me a dislike and comment below. Let me know your biggest problem, so that in my next video I'll try and work on it. Okay, so guys, as I said earlier, that's what I have for you in this video. And also, those of you who are still commenting below telling me about the phrase, don't worry, I have a small technical problem with my site, but I'm still working on it. Okay, I know it's not there again. I know when you click on a link, they will tell you error, it's not there again. Yeah, don't worry, I've been receiving all your comments about my site not opening again. Don't worry, I'm going to resolve all those things. See you on my next video. I'm out.